Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to learn about how to swap left and right mouse clicks in Windows 11. Right click on Windows Start button, click on Settings, click on Accessibility present at left side of the screen. Click on Mouse Pointer and Touch. Click on Mouse. In front of primary mouse button, select right. Now, the action of your left and right mouse clicks will change. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you liked it. And for more such videos, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. And kindly hit the bell icon to get notification of our latest videos.